Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and we've got a quick storm coming in overnight tonight. Now for the valley, it's just a slight chance of a few spotty showers. I don't expect much measurable rain out of this for us at all, but much of the precipitation will be farther north with this storm, and spots up north like Flagstaff and Williams. Areas above 5,000 feet in elevation could pick up 1 to 4 inches of snow overnight and early tomorrow. We're going to see winter weather advisories posted in the Flagstaff area as well, and then winds, a lot of wind picking up with this. It already started today. It continues overnight as the storm system moves through, and at times we could see peak wind gusts near 45 miles per hour for northern and western Arizona. Valley wind gust will top out between 25 and 30 miles per hour later on tonight. There's a look at that snowfall forecast as we take a look at the map here. 2 to 4 inches in Flagstaff and Williams, about an inch or 2 in the forecast for Prescott, but likely less than an inch in places like Sedona, Payson and Heber, and 1 to 3 in the forecast for Show Low by about midday tomorrow. Here's a look at those weather alerts. The winter weather advisory I told you about for Flagstaff until 11 a.m. on Tuesday. One farther north for the Kaibab Plateau as well, and then out to the west. Wind advisories in effect until 9 o'clock tonight across western and northwestern Arizona. And then for the southwest part of our state, stretching into Yuma, a blowing dust advisory on top of that. And we could see visibility down to a mile or less this evening with that dust advisory till 10 o'clock tonight. Here's a look at the storm system itself. Again, it's a fast mover, so it moves through here tonight and then clears out tomorrow. And behind it, high pressure builds in. So we're going to be warming up the forecast fast. We drop 10 to 15 degrees tomorrow behind the low, but then we warm about 10 degrees going into the next day. And we keep on climbing into the mid 80s by the end of the week and start of the weekend. So here's a look at tomorrow. 48 degrees at 6 a.m., 51 at 9, maybe a few lingering showers early tomorrow morning. But again, the chance for the valley is really slim, about 10% here for us. Up to 63 around 3 o'clock in the afternoon and still in the low 60s around 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Across the state tonight, 47 here in Phoenix, 42 in Casa Grande, freezing 30s in Sedona and Payson, teens and 20s along the rim northeast to the Four Corners. So some cold air up north. Highs tomorrow in those spots in the 30s, Flagstaff at 33, Heber at 37. So a cold day for the Arizona high country. But again, there's that warm up, and we'll see similar warming trends across the state for Phoenix, 80s by this weekend.